What's good? It's your girl Jazzy Boo. Okay, so I'm about to sing a song that a lot of my friends been begging me to sing and put it on. So, okay, it's one of my songs and it's called, oh actually I don't got a name for it. It's just new. And yeah, so I hope you like it. Here we go. I think about you all the time and what we could have been. Every second of every hour I'm reminiscing all the good times we had all through the day. But now they're gone, but matter of fact, I think they still remain. You made me laugh, you made me smile, you made me go insane. You kissed my neck and said I love you always. That ain't no other chick that's stealing you away. I pray to God and tell him thank you for blessing me. You are the one that I love and you are the one that I trust in. Without you in my life, I can't function. So tell me you feel the same and I'll come rushing into your arms, baby. And so, it's not finished, but I hope you like it. And, comment and all that. I'm about to start posting a lot of videos of me singing and songs that I write. That I've written, and also I'm taking requests, you know, people, you can ask me to sing a song and I'll sing it and I'll post it as soon as I can. And yeah, so I'm gonna start posting some of my videos on YouTube, on my YouTube account, so hit it up over there and comment, like, rate, subscribe me, make a YouTube account just to keep track of my stuff, whatever. So I'm about to start doing it big, so if y'all like it, then I'm gonna make many more. So I hope you like it, boo. And yeah, alright, peace.